Number 17, Fiola
Zeus is in
Sagalos.
the lead here in the fourth by 6.
Oh, that was a nice set.
Valdez.
Fast set to Eliza Valdez on the open side. Targeting
Eliza
down the line.
she just knows when to squeeze it through 2 blockers, power it, use that hand work that she's been noted for, and others who have done it well lately, Bernadette Pons and Bella Belen. Another sterling performance. Ooh, buhay pa oh. Doon tayo. Porsyento. Teroa. Ay, solid.
Kita niya yung cross-court na yun. Laki ng open sa cross-court angle.
It is our spike of the set, brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan.
1 out, 18, Carlos.
Ang nipis ng palo niya sa cross-court.
Pero may lalim, may ibig
Yes.
sabihin.
And for Zeus Coffee.
This is a good place for them. 6 points advantage.
Ay, sayang. Nagpunta sa net.
Point for the Cool Smash.
Kasi if you're Zeus, you don't want to fall into that 8-0 hole you fell into in the second set. Hindi sila naka-score dun eh.
2 out, 23.
Tama yung sabi mo,
Galanza
17 all nun eh. Galanza, who I think started today, is back on the floor.
Yes, siya yung nag-start for
Gemma Galanza.
Creamline
For
ng
the
first
serve.
set.
Yes, she did. She actually has 5 points. Pushed up. It has to be the third try. Down the middle we go.
Off the block.
Off the block. Combination play from Creamline. Tots was the one who was able to get the first ball. Pero pinaikot pa rin sa middle and getting that off the block hit.
It is down to 4.
Nice serve.
Eroa makes it a set. Arroyo shoots. Pons repelling Gonzaga. Reached for by Galanza. Tough angle to work with. And we are still in play. And we are
Nice
still in
defense.
play.
Oh!
Arroyo, too wide.
Grabe yung depensa ng Zeus. Also, Jov Gonzaga, you know, pag siya'y nasa back row, grabe yung depensa niya sa down the line. Kahit na ang layo niya,
Oo.
waiting for a strong hit,
Galanza.
nakuha pa rin niya yung drop ball behind the blockers.
Parang basang-basa niya kung anong ginagawa ng kalaban. 3 ang lamang ng Zeus dito sa fourth. Reached for by the Guzman. Corner!
Carlos finds the corner. 3, Gemma Galanza.
Galanza serving. Nip the net. Arroyo!
Arroyo. Is not yet.
Much needed point to
13
cut
to
the
10.
momentum of Creamline.
Chini Arroyo has 18
Loma
points.
Doniedo, team captain, serving.
Plus serves. Overpass. Regalo. It's not open. It is denied. Reset. Recalibrated. Reloaded. Into the hole.
Carlos.
Same
down the
target.
line.
By Tots Carlos down the line.
Ayun o. Tinitingnan naman,
Thanks
na naman
natin.
nila yung video.
Serving for the
Wala
Cool
tayong video
Smashers.
nung replay. Hindi
Yeah,
nila
diba,
nakita.
or baka chinecheck nila yung ice ba yung buhok ko. Diba? 11, 13. Ang ganda ng
Nogales. quick
Nogales,
attack.
Arroyo,
14
Mondoñedo,
to
Law
11.
Office. Grabe yung teamwork nila. If they can maximize that. Kasi matangkad na yung
Yes.
Gagate, Nogales, yung Arroyo. That's quite a loaded line. No?
And actually, yung set ni Mondoñedo sa middle, hindi mababa. Talagang pinapatalo niya yung middle attackers niya for higher reach.
Aha. Kinukuha sa tiyaga ni Sibalios. Kinukuha ng tiyaga sa back row. Huli ka. Saan ka pupunta?
Ball is in.
Ang hirap timingan ng defense na yun pag tumama sa net.
Oo.
Naiiba yung direksyon and yung speed ng bola.
Baka makakuha sa suntukan. Dinuntok na lang eh. Baka sakaling tumaas pa eh. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. This was as much as a 6-point lead earlier. Ceballos. Uh-oh. May challenge while the ball is
There's
in
a
play.
challenge on the
Yes,
floor.
because gumalaw
Net
yung net
fault
actually.
by Zeus.
So hindi natin alam kung sino yung
No need for
net
the
touch.
challenge.
May umamin.
Fair play awarded.
Inamin
Gia de Guzman.
ni Gia.
Okay.
Alam ko sa UAAP ngayon, meron ng ganito. Fair play. Ayan.
Yes.
Gonzalez serving.
Bumawi.
Smart move yan kay Gia. Pwede niyang hindi aminin eh. It's not an issue of honesty. It's an issue of timing. Kasi, pagka nag-challenge nun, magtatagal, mamamatay yung momentum nila.
Oo, tsaka kung tama rin naman na kung alam mo na talagang may
Oh, might as well.
violation na on your side.
Di habulin na natin yung next point.
Oh, ganda ng blocking.
Gonzaga back by De Leon.
Bea De Leon guarding that cross-court angle.
Sabi nga ni Roger Federer, that point that you lost, you won, is gone. That's done. You move on to the next point.
Agree.
Pons.
Not a good first ball.
Oh, what happened there?
There.
Ceballos was waiting for the second touch because usually pag ganyan mga out of system, ang first priority is to set up your open hitters.
We're
But
tied at
nagkabungguan
15.
na doon si Arroyo and si Eroa. Take a look at that again.
Oo nga.
Hindi na makakahabol doon si Arroyo.
Tabla tayo at 15.
Nice set.
Arroyo keeping it very much in place. Ceballos blasts away. And look at this.
Lanza.
Galang.